In terms of art and design, I think I was already into it in my younger years, like into embroidery, cross stitching, and then also creation of necklaces. I had a college friend na entice ko sa iyang nagkakita niya nga into fashion, and then what molded me into being the designer who I am right now was when I was with my choir. I was given the chance to think of a costume for our choir. I came through the post and then talked to it about with my friends, like, okay ra ba nga mo join ko? I decided to join because it's a different feeling, like it naadyo comments from people who are in the industry, but so like how I see things. I like the notion of widening my horizon, given inputs from people in the industry. So yeah, it was a great experience. Like, I really like listening inputs from other people and like to take it, digest it internally one at a time. So it was an interesting a moment. It was something that was very new to me, and I took it really well. Basically, the title of my piece is Pohon. It's Bisaya word. In Bisaya, like we always say Pohon somewhere. We look forward for something in the future. So the design is inspired by the rainbow and basically how we feel when we see the rainbow. So the main materials that I use for the piece is chiffon and tulle. My driving force, as always, as a designer, is make people feel good about themselves, not because of the dress, but because they feel good about themselves. So, I'm Manuel Jacob Jamio, and I'm one of the mentees for the Kasaulogan Art Program of the Kabilin Center.